to the USA, and a lot of them went to Pennsylvania, but most of them went to the southern states, in particular to one called Tennessee. And Fiona's going to sing a little Tennessee song for you. It's called the Tennessee Waltz.
I introduced her to my loved one, and while they were walking, my friends stole my sweetheart away. I remember the night of the Tennessee Waltz. Now I know just how much I have lost. Yes, I lost my little darling the night they were playing the beautiful Tennessee Waltz. The beautiful Tennessee Waltz. We have a request, ladies and gentlemen, but we're going to go on playing.